This is Brother Barnes. Let's do an Earthworm mock practical to get ready for a quiz or test on the material. I want you to number 1 and 2 and tell me what you think about these features in the comments below, the identity of these features. Also in the video description, I will post a link for a download where you can check my perception of these answers. Notice that there are internal dividers. What are these internal dividers called? That's what I've highlighted for number 1. And then secondarily, I want you to be really generic with number 2. That's where the answer key might be kind of helpful. The book that I'm looking at describes this cottage cheese stuff as seminal receptacles and seminal vesicles. I'm actually just looking for something a whole lot more generic than that. So tell me what you think in the comments below.